Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how you can deactivate RouterCAM within your program. This is ideally used if you want to install it on another operating system or perhaps another computer. Then you would first have to deactivate it on this one and reactivate it on the new one. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back to the program here. So now, like I mentioned in the intro, deactivating is something you'll do before you install it on another computer. So yeah, let's say you've upgraded or anything in that line and you need to do it, then this will be a method you'll be using. So once again, you want to make sure that your actual RouterCAM plugin is open, like we showed before. In order to do that, you want to look with a black zoom bar. Otherwise, we go to Tools. You want to go to the bottom here where it says RouterCAM. So you click that, it'll open this, and then this little icon with the R on it. You want to click that to open up the settings. Then once you've got the settings, you obviously have these 4 tabs. Mine is still open from last time. And if we go to Info, which is the last tab, we've got here your license information. Now, as we can see, the activate license is grayed out, so we cannot use that. So what we want to do is go to license information. So for this, I'm just going to black out so you don't see my serial number. And then you want to click on license information. And then over here, by activation key, you've got your serial number and some more information about the service provider and so forth. But as you can see right at the bottom here, you've got deactivate license on this computer. So then you can simply click that, follow the steps, and then the program will be deactivated on this computer, and then it is ready for installation on another computer. But yeah, otherwise that is how you deactivate your RouterCAM plugin. And yeah, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find what you're looking for, just go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.